Hello, hey, this is a video showing you the accessories pack. The accessories pack will come with what we call a gantry, and that's going to be this piece. It's going to go across the track. We'll show you how to put that together. It comes with the accessory clips, and it also comes with some flags. And so we're going to show you how those pieces all go together, how to assemble the accessory clip, and then use it, okay? So we'll start with the assembly of the accessory clip. It goes together very similar to the other one. Standard clip, there's 3 common pieces there, and then this is the accessory side. So anyways, you just put some glue down, you slide this piece up into this area that's been etched, and then make sure that the bottom is flush like that. Put some pressure on it, let your glue dry, and then we're going to flip this up here like this, get some glue on here, and then also just a reminder that on these clips when you're assembling them, this piece right here, the rectangle, always goes above this piece right here, like that. That's how you can remember. And then also we want to put this piece on the back and just a little bit of glue, and then get this piece and get it all glued together like that. And then of course it works just the same way as all the other clips. You just stick it in there like that, like that. I'll grab another one over here, and then just line that like that. And now you have the accessory clips installed. And I'm going to put a rubber band on these just to hold them secure, just like that. So if you haven't tried that yet, you might want to try it. It works great. It keeps everything nice and tight and in place. All right, so let's first of all look at the flags. The way that the flags work, you just simply put them in the little spaces for the flags. So there's just a little pin, and they go in, and they can go in 4 different directions, so you can have the wind blowing in any direction you want, like that. And you can put multiple ones on there. So there you go. So those are the flags. And then we have a gantry, which is going to be a piece that goes across the track like this, and it has 3 pieces, so we're going to glue those together. Now you'll notice on the bottom of this piece right here, there's let's see if I can get you in the picture here. This one has a pin, this one does not. And then on these pieces, this one has a pin and this one does not. So you're going to put the one with the pin opposite the pin here, okay? So this one, we're going to just do this. We're going to glue this here. Excuse me, we're going to glue this one right here like that. So let's do that. So pretty much just like that, we're going to glue it so that it's all part of that piece there. And then we're going to do the same for this side. And again, remember the pins are opposite. And so remember that, I'll put that on here. And so when you look at these, when they're installed, they're the exact same piece. And so this little pin area, let me get it in the film here. This little pin here and this little pin, they're staggered. They're different. You know, this one's on the left, this one's on the right. And then, so when we build this, that's why we're having the pins. You got a pin right here, and we got the pin right there. And so now when we go to put that on the track, it has the hole right there and the hole right there to sit on the track, like that. And you don't need to glue this, they'll sit here just fine. And you don't want to glue it because then you won't be able to get the track apart. But this is a gantry, and then you can hang things from here. You could put banners across the top if you like. So, you know, put stickers on there or whatever you want to do for your races. But this is a little gantry that goes across the racetrack. All right. That's all there is to it. All right, and so that's the accessories. There's quite a few accessory pieces that come together. The flags and the gantries come, as well as the accessory clips, all in one package if you want to get those. And they make for a really kind of a cool thing across your track if you want that. All right, well, thank you.